Hey friends, it's Amy Dove, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. I'm coming to you live, but not from the kitchen. We are back in the garage because look, it was raining one day and I really wanted to grill some steaks, so Ricky moved the grill inside the garage and we haven't moved it out. So I'm in the garage tonight because it's so cool outside that it's making grilling so fun. I love to grill. Last night we grilled some pork rib, what was it, country pork ribs. Tonight, look what we're doing. We've got some bacon wrapped pork chops, guys. I mean, super easy, delicious. You can wrap anything in bacon and make your meal delicious. So who loves bacon wrapped pork chops? If you don't, what do you like to wrap bacon around? Because bacon makes everything better. Check out this. It's gonna be delicious when it's done. And guys, I love the grill because all you have to do is throw on your protein. You can even add your veggies on the grill as well, in a veggie tray or basket. But guys, what I'm doing in the kitchen tonight, while we're waiting on the grill to, ow, sorry, that was hot. While we're waiting on the grill to heat up these pork chops or cook these pork chops, I'm making another roasted vegetable. I love roasted vegetables too. So guys, as you're coming on, let me know where you're watching from and what you're doing for dinner tonight. So we're now going to walk into the kitchen. Excuse this wild hair. It's cooler outside, but the humidity is still real. We're making bacon wrapped pork chops on the grill. And in the kitchen, we're making another roasted vegetable. I just love to keep things so easy and simple. The easier you make your meals, the long-term success you are creating. I can guarantee you, anyone who's watching, if you've ever started a health journey, most of you call it diet. When you start a diet, most of the time it's so complicated that you're really good the first month, you lose some inches or you lose some numbers on that scale. You're so excited, like you're engaged, you're energized because you're seeing success. But then ultimately you absolutely stop because it's so complicated. So instead of having things complicated at my house, we keep it super easy and super simple. We primarily focus on clean, whole foods. Every once in a while, we'll do something more low carb, like the low carb tortilla wraps and make fancy foods. But honestly, most nights it's protein and vegetables. Protein and vegetables. Guys, if you eat smart, and you keep it clean and you keep it simple, you can do this forever. Like there's nothing wrong with eating protein and vegetables. As a matter of fact, I don't think you'll meet a doctor who says eating protein with low carb vegetables is going to be bad for your health. So we like to keep it simple. Look what I've got in the oven tonight. We've got roasted asparagus. I love to roast vegetables. Hopefully that's not fogging up my... No, it's not fogging up. I love to roast vegetables because all you need is an oven on 350. You need a baking sheet and aluminum foil because I hate to clean. And that's it. You just put your low carb vegetable on the basket or on the baking sheet. Heavily drizzle with avocado oil. Salt and pepper is primarily all you need. And you'll roast those until it reaches the tenderness that you like. And guys, voila, you've got dinner. You've got protein and a low carb vegetable. So this is no recipe needed. What we're doing on the grill is I wrap some pork chops in some thick sliced bacon. And when that is almost done, what I'm going to add, let me show you. I am going to add some little goodness to, I am going to add a little trick if I can find it. I've got it in the refrigerator somewhere. Let me show you. Oh yeah, here it is. So I like these flavored butters. Have you guys been to Sam's or Costco and they have like the garlic butter and they've got a herb butter? Like, do y'all like the flavored butters? Now, this is not the best because it's got butter. Let me just read it. Butter, salt, Parmesan cheese, milk culture, salt, kosher enzymes, garlic, spices, garlic, kosher, basil. Well, it doesn't have sugar, so that's pretty darn good. Yeah, I think that's pretty damn good. So look, I'm going to season it with some garlic butter when it's almost done. And we've got dinner. We've got some good protein. We've got a low carb vegetable and we're keeping it simple and delicious. And when you do that, guys, I can guarantee you longer success. So if you have never gotten my getting started tips before, I would love to help you. Say getting started in the comments and I'll send you over the tips that I started back in 6 years ago, 2019. I have to think about the year. It was 2018 I got started. If you want those tips, I'm still following them today. I have an amazing tool. You guys see me drink it all the time. It's my Go Girl Mix. I drink that every day and then I eat smart the rest of the day. And that's what I've done. I've lost a lot of fat. I moved from a size 12 to a 4'6". I've been maintaining that over 6 years now, feeling amazing. And I get to live a lifestyle that's not restricted to a diet. I love to teach low carb. I love to teach keto. But guys, honestly, I'm very flexible. because I have my tool. I have the Go Girl mix, and it actually allows me some flexibility. So guys, if you want those getting started tips and you've never gotten them before, or if you just want them again because it's been a while, say getting started. I'll send you how to look at every single meal in a simple way to make sure that you are getting the best bang out of your buck and a little time in the kitchen. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes. So I'm just going to flip these pork chops every 15 minutes until that bacon starts to get crispy. When that bacon is done, guys, the pork chops are done, and we're going to have an amazing dinner. So I am so glad you guys are here. And as you jump on, let me know where you're watching from and what you are doing for dinner tonight. So keep it fun and just keep it simple. That way you can actually have long-term success. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off and get back outside to enjoy the puppy dogs while we're grilling. That's another thing I love about grilling. When it's beautiful outside, when the fall weather starts to kick in, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm actually ready for the fall. I love the pool weather, but I'm actually excited to feel that little bit of coolness because I love to grill and I love to be outside. And in the summer, it gets so hot and humid here that's really hard to enjoy some days. So I'm fixing to get back out in the yard and play with the puppies while we're grilling tonight. And guys, I want to know what you're doing for dinner tonight and where you're watching from. Again, if you're new to my page or you've never gotten those getting started tips, say getting started. I'd love to help you get started. Just conversation, some good tips. And if you guys have questions, you just hit me back. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.